Okay, I'm going to be using my new tripod mount for my camera to see about doing a video of my Rubik's Cube showing how to operate it. Okay, showing here I got it all in place, but I'm going to scramble it so you can tell that I haven't cheated at all, and just randomly scramble it up however I can. However I can best do that, but doesn't matter. Let's get them all separated out. Okay, now you start with the color 1X. You pick any center color to use, and the net color 2X will be on the opposite side from that color. So if I want to choose my color 1X as white, I would go like this and choose the white corners and bring them into here, like so, and then like do this and this, whatever. This is just a basically simple thing to do. Move this up out of the way so you can bring this one up to there without messing up that one. See? Move it back into place. And hunt for these two corner pieces. And they will be here's on the bottom, rotate it up there. And we have 3. We got 1 more to go. Gotta find that last corner piece. There it is. It's on the very bottom, so I will be rotating it around to where I can, I'm going to try to turn it on its side like this, and that, see what that does. Okay, that puts it on its side, but not where I want it. So move it around here, and back up, and now I have it where I want it, right there, so I can rotate it up to there. Just like this. Okay, there. Color 1X. Flip it over to the other side. You maintain this position at all times. This color 2X has to stay there until this one is done. And we'll have another one. So we've got 1 yellow. Find all the yellows. There's 1. And at this point, look around the bottom, see if there's any yellows. These pieces here, any yellows, none. So I'll take this green one here. And, oh wait, no, first of all, I forgot, you have to match up corner pieces. There's 1 pair, and the top and bottom. Let's say that. 1, 2 pairs. Oh, yeah, 2, 1, 2. Wait a minute. On the wrong side, aren't I? Yeah, somehow. There. Okay, I flipped that and I forgot. Now count the edges. So, and it's hard for me to see around my mount. It's in my way with the way I have it mounted. I should have put it to the side. It's right in the middle of my screen. So, 1 pair, matching pair there. Okay. With 1 pair matching, you do this move, right twice. You put it on the front twice, and right twice. This should give 5 matching. Okay, the bottom layer has 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 1 up top. 1 matching right up top. See? On that side. Okay. Then you do this move 5 times. Right twice, front twice, up, clockwise, twice, up twice, and front twice, up, clockwise, twice, front twice, up, clockwise, front twice, up, clockwise, right twice, front twice, up, clockwise. Whoa. I don't know what happened. I messed up. Oh, man. Guess I can stop there. Oh. Okay, this has to change. I can't do this. Okay, now that I messed that up, I'm gonna go to show you how to repair that problem. I moved my camera around so I can see better. Okay, there's color X. Make the color 2X. With this diagram. Okay, put these on this side. I like it that way. Okay, right. Up twice. And right. Up twice. Right. Right twice. There. Now that makes that diagram. If you have them with these on this side and this, you need these on the back side right here and here. So I'm going to do that by going like this. Right twice, front twice, front twice. And there you have it. Now I can use this move that makes the star. Or X, I should say. Right. Up twice. Right. Up twice. Right. Up. Right twice. There's the X. Now, count correct edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're up top. 1. Okay, now I can do this move 5 times. Now this is where I was supposed to be a while ago in the other video. Okay, right twice, 5 times. Front twice, top. Right twice, front twice, up. Twice, front twice, up. Twice, front twice, oops. Twice, up. Twice. Okay, that was the last move. Now the X there, and the X there. Perfect. And now I have all correct edges on all the corners. See, they match up. So now go about filling in these slots here. And that's done by finding them on this layer here. And then you got some down here that can come out of there. Go for it anyway right now just to get them into their slots. Turn this around to where you're always putting them in on this side right there. So you go like this, rotate it in, and up. There's one. And then I'm going to bring this around to where there's a white one that can go out of that slot because it works with that slot. So, there's a white on this edge. Like green. Bring the green around, the green slot goes here, and then put it that way, it goes into the slot. See? And bring this back out, and bring it back up. There. Next up we have another white red. Here. Now, at this point, you have one left. All the others are filled in, but you don't want to fill the last one in. You use that for a changing slot for the other side. So you put that down, and you always keep that right there. Always keep it on that side on the bottom while you're doing the top here. So, find the yellows. Yellow, green, yellow, green, and it's basically the same moves to a certain point. And another yellow. Always put them on this corner. Put them in. That's a yellow orange. There's a yellow orange slot right there. And put it in. Bring it all the way around here to the back side and in. And up. There. There's another one. Oh, right there. Red. Is that red? I'm slightly colorblind, and this camera's changing the color of everything. That's where it's going anyway. Hopefully that's right. Yeah, that matches up. That was red. Okay. One last Oh, there it is on the bottom corner here. So, put this over here, that's where it goes. I'll put it on that side. Bring it up out of here. And since it goes over there, and that's the color there, the yellow, I'm going to bring it around. From the front to the back. Turn this back to keep these not lined up here. And turn that up. Now, you've got that whole side there. Turn this back over, and you're dealing with that last slot that we left open. And find the piece that goes in there, white, blue. TV keeps changing the color there. Okay. White, blue, I see it in the back. Oops, sorry. Okay. Now, white is on this side. There's about two moves. If this side, the white is on here, or the white is on here. But the white is on here, so I'm going to go like take this move. Two, up, over. No. I'm messing it up. There. That's it. There. Now, they're done. Both sides are done. And now I gotta just line them up with their center colors. And that leaves these not done. Almost done with this cube. So, for an orange blue, that's on the back side. I could look for it easier. Red, blue. There it is, up top. Okay. This move. There. Now, that's in place. Move on to something else. Orange, blue. That's on the back side. Red, green, and red, green. Now, okay, that's done. That's done. And we've got two pieces. Look, they're in position, but flipped. That leaves the flipping move. It's a long move that'll mess up the whole cube. Watch this. Get out, it messes it all up. And then, oh boy, I think I'm messing it up. Yes, I am. This one's okay. It's just this I messed up. They're in their place. I just got to do the flipping move right. I'm still up thinking too much. Okay. Now, the flipping move. Up. Oh yeah. And then we'll shift that over and do this one. That's it. It's in place. Bring it up. Rotate it around. Done. And the cube is done. Now I memorized all these moves from a book by Jeffrey Verasano many years ago. I got this book on solving Rubik's Cube, and it's been the best book I ever had because it was easy to remember all these moves. Because they have the professional moves in the book that are quicker, or they have the repetitive moves that are easier to learn and memorize. And that's what I did. I learned repetitive moves. And now I can do the cube anytime I want. Thank you for watching.